So for this lesson, I would have string or yarn strung across the classroom, and on one end would have 0 out of 1, and on the other 1 out of 1. So this represents a number line, and that helps visualize where numbers go and their value. So each table group would get a card that has a fraction on it. I'll give them a few minutes. They'll discuss their fraction and where they think it should go on the number line. From there, then one person will come up and place it. So if one group has 1/2, hopefully they'll place it about in the middle. Then I'd ask them to explain. So they might say, I know that 1 out of 2 is half. 1 is half of 2. And it would go about halfway in between. So after each group goes up, places 1, explains why, then each individual student will get their own fraction card. From here, they'll do the same process again. They'll have a few minutes to think about it, go up and place it. So if a student has 4/4, hopefully they will place it under 1/1 because that fraction is whole. There are 4 pieces, all 4 pieces are there. Here there's 1 piece and that piece is there, that fraction is whole. So then a student might have 2/3 and they would hopefully put it in between these 2 cards. And they could say, I know that 2/3 is greater than 1/2, but it's not a full 3 out of 3 yet. So that's why I put it here, and that'd be totally acceptable. So this activity has group work, individual work, a little bit of speaking in front, and it gives the teacher some pretty clear ideas of where students are in their understanding. Now, if a student was completely off, I would correct that as it's happening. So that it doesn't mess up other people. So like if someone put, 2/3 over here, that could confuse other students, and I wouldn't want that. So I would correct that then and explain to them why. So that's my activity.